Charis Global, the key to intelligence.
Melenan nang iraga dados jadi siki.
Secara individu, mungkin kita berbeda.
Ang ating pagkakaisa, ang ating kalakasan.
我们可能有不同的宗教和语言，
But we are one.
Comfort is the key. Charis Global provides friendly surroundings that will accompany you through your days here. Besides academic skills, let us explore your hidden talents through the events and clubs provided.
Shalom. Shalom.
Assalamualaikum.
Namo Buddhaya. Assalamualaikum. Shalom.
Shalom. Namo Buddhaya.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Hello everyone, my name is Yustia. I am from primary C class.
Ako po ay si Calvin, isang Filipino na sa ikalimang baitan ng paralang Charis Global.
안녕하세요. 저는 상우고요. 6학년입니다.
Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Ayu desu, 6年生です. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Nama saya Billy Fajar Pangestu dan sekarang saya duduk di bangku 6 SD.
大家好，我是 Shanice Taufik， 我来自中学2年级。
My name is Jovi from grade 7 Isaac Newton.
My name is Davina Fania Charity. I'm grade 8 and I'm from Indonesia.
Nama saya Tia, saya dari kelas 8.
My name is Mark Winardi. I'm a grade 9 student and I'm Indonesian.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Salwa dari kelas 9.
Nice.
Fun.
Happy.
Exciting.
Challenging.
Special.
Wonderful.
Amazing.
Family.
Unity.
Community.
Here in CGS, we don't discriminate people by the skin color, religion, or nationality.
We can learn different languages like Bahasa Sunda, Bahasa Indonesia, English, and Mandarin.
我们一起学马叫，一起喵喵喵喵喵，叫你名叫撒个娇，哎呀喵喵喵喵。
Our school has a friendly environment and the connection between the teachers and students are strong.
It often participates in many kinds of competition.
Friendly.
The teachers are supportive and they will always push us above our limit.
They are funny and super nice. Sportive, kind.
Trustworthy.
Back then, I was really shy, but my sisters and my brothers in school helped me to be more confident.
Hard subject, but the teachers always support me.
We have advanced curriculum in Charis Global.
We not only learn about Indonesian education, but we also learn Singapore-based education.
There are a lot of exciting activities in the school where we can show our skills and abilities.
We don't only learn lesson, but we also learn how to appreciate people.
I feel peaceful.
Grateful.
Great and unique.
Delighted. So blessed.
Glad. Grateful.
Splendid.
I am proud to be a Charisian.